Hello everyone, today we are going how to download Visual Studio Code in Windows. VS Code. Visual Studio Code is a free, lightweight code editor developed by Microsoft. It supports many programming languages like Python, JavaScript, C++, etc. How it works? You write code in the editor. It offers syntax highlighting, auto-completion, debugging, and extensions. You can run code using integrated terminal or extensions for specific languages. Hello everyone. Today, I am going to download and set up Visual Studio Code on a Windows. First, open your browser and go to the official website code visualstudio.com. On the homepage, you will see a big blue button that says Download for Windows. Click on it, and the setup file will start downloading. In 5 to 10 seconds, download is completed. Once the download is complete, double-click the setup file to start the installation. You will see a setup wizard. Just click Next to continue. Now, you will be asked to accept the license agreement. Check the box and click Next. After that, choose the installation location. The default is fine for most users, so click Next again. Next comes the most important step. You will see a list of checkboxes. Make sure to check Add to Path, create a desktop icon, register code as an editor for supported file types. These options make it easier to run VS Code from anywhere on your system. Click Next. Then install. And wait for the process to finish. Once installed, check the box that says Launch Visual Studio Code and click Finish. Congratulations! VS Code is now installed.